TankLock is the new Givi patented tank fastening system. It is a rapid lock and release mechanical seal system. Assemble the flange supplied to the tank plug, after having verified the availability of the specific assembling kit for your motorcycle at your retail dealer. Regulate the positioning of the lock of the tank lock placed at the bottom of the bag through 5 available stroke levels in order to get a better driving comfort. After having properly positioned the bag, in order to lock it, you have to press slightly until you hear the anchor click. In order to release the bag, it is sufficient to act on the release lever placed at the bottom. TankLock system advantages are manifold, and they can be summed up as it follows. Rapidity of bag lock and release. Regulable fitting according to your driving posture. No problem concerning the presence of magnets, such as weight, credit cards demagnetization, and electronic devices.